How to buy torum official token. So this token came under the symbol of XTM. Now before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token is available on Mexc, so if you want to buy this token on Mexc, now just open your Mexc account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on Mexc to benefit from rewards. And after that, click on the search bar and type XTM like that. Now, as you can see, you can now find this DEX Plus. But make sure to select the announcement. And now you can just click on this torum XTM listing is on a vision zone. So after that, wait a few seconds and make sure to read all of that here. But what is important on that is the date that they will release this token on their platform. So they will release it on July 2 on 10 UTC. So in that date, you will be able to buy this token. So I will give you an example if this token is listed on Mexc. Now I will give the example of Bitcoin. So for example, type in the search bar the Bitcoin like that. So I will just close this. Now type BTC like that. Now, as you can see, select the spot that pair that have used it in. After that, wait a few seconds. And now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And see here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive of that token. After that, click here on buy XTM. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to find this token added to your account. So this is how to buy XTM token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.